Suzuki has unveiled a special edition of its V-Strom 800D in France, called the Djebel edition. This new variant draws inspiration from Suzuki's iconic DR650R Djebel, a middleweight ADV from the past. The bike is distinguished by a retro-inspired blue and white paint scheme, evoking the classic design of its predecessor. Along with the new colors, the Djebel edition comes equipped with additional accessories such as a tank pad, crash guards, an aluminum skid plate, and an optional set of Bridgestone AX41 tires for enhanced off-road capability. In terms of design, the V-Strom 800D Djebel retains the same robust styling as the standard model. The tall, upright stance is complemented by a vertically stacked headlight with a transparent visor, maintaining its rugged adventure-ready look. The bike is powered by the same 776cc twin-cylinder engine that delivers 83 horsepower and 78 Nm of torque, mated to a 6-speed gearbox. Feature-wise, the Suzuki V-Strom 800D Djebel is equipped with modern technology, including LED lighting, a 5-inch TFT display, traction control, ride-by-wire throttle, low RPM assist, a bidirectional quickshifter, ABS, and multiple ride modes. For suspension, it offers fully adjustable Showa USD front forks and a rear monoshock, ensuring a comfortable and controlled ride across different terrains. The braking system features dual 310mm front discs and a 260mm rear disc, all mounted on a 21-inch front and 17-inch rear spoke wheel combination, wrapped in Dunlop Trail Max Mixter tires as standard. With its blend of retro aesthetics and modern performance, the V-Strom 800D Djebel edition is a striking tribute to Suzuki's adventure bike heritage.